From the Stripe homepage, you want to click on this plus icon at the top right of the screen. Then choose on subscription option just below it, because we are going to set up the recurring payments as the subscription scheme. You may ignore all the text that said test in it, like this one, create a test subscription. It should be create a subscription, but it's appear like that only because I make this video on a test mode, so you will not see that in your own screen later on. So, before setting up a recurring payments on Stripe, you got to address your customer first, so you want to click on this button. Then, choose their name or email if you already have any customer listed before, or add them by inserting their own email, and tap the enter or return button on your keyboard. After that, you may add your customer's name, and hit on the add customers button over here. Add the subscription details. On the product option, you may choose your available product to be set with recurring payments, or you may create a new product by clicking on the add new product button right here. On this page, you may add the name of your product and add a little description explaining what your product do, and also adding the image for your own subscription product. Then on the pricing, make sure you are choosing on the recurring button, so people will have to pay weekly, monthly, or so on for your product subscription. After that, you may add the amount or the price of your product while also setting up the currency, either to be US dollar or another currency. Then scroll down a bit, and then on the billing period, you may choose the certain range of time of your customer has to pay for your subscription product. Either you want the recurring payment to occur every week, every month, every year, or just customize it as you like. For example, if I choose on monthly, then Stripe will help me to automatically sending a billing or invoices to my customer in every time of the month. You may also customize to more pricing option if you like, or adjust the amount of your unit quantity and hit the add product button over here after you are satisfied. On this page, click on the date section under the duration section. Then choose until when you can provide your subscription for your customers. Like if you only provide the product for only 1 year, 6 months, or just 1 month. Or you may also select it to be forever. After that, you may scroll down. On the bill monthly starting, you may set up what is the date that you want the billing invoices to be sent directly to your customers, because the billing invoices will be sent automatically by Stripe later on. And also, you may customize the free trial day if you want the client or customers to have any trial day for your product. If you scroll down again, on the subscription settings, you may customize the billing to always be sent at the start of every period by turning on this bill upfront toggle switch. I myself will not turning that on. Then on the payment, you may choose to automatically charge your customer's card by choosing this option and hit on add a payment method button. And start to add their card information number. Or the more conventional and more common methods for me, where you choose to email the customers and they can pay the bill manually from that email invoices. You can do it by choosing on this option and set up when is the last date they can pay for your subscription and turning on this payment page so they can see the invoices more clearly. Then on the payment methods, you want to click on manage option and then choose what is the best payment option for your customers. For example, I want to choose only for credit or debit card and also Cash App. So just turning on those two and hit the save button. And you may scroll down again for a bit and see the advanced settings of the invoice. Click on select a template button if you have any template, or you may just add the description for the invoice. You may then add some invoice memo and also add some invoice footer and other fields if you want. You may preview your invoices by clicking on Invoice section over here, and you may see all the difference or changes that you make before. And after you are good with everything, click on Create Subscription button over here. And you are good to go. If you choose to charge them automatically on the payment method before, the customer's money will automatically be deducted on every month or every billing period that you choose before. And on the customer side, more or less, these are the email of the invoice that they will see if you choose to charge them by email beforehand. So this invoice mail message basically is gonna be automatically sent by Stripe on every billing period that you choose before, either monthly, weekly, or so on. So you don't need to send the billing invoice manually, because if you send the invoice manually, after you set all this up, there will be 2 or even more invoices, and it can make the customers confused. Then they may scroll down and download the invoice over here. And also they may click on Pay this invoice button right here to pay for the billing with their credit card or debit card. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.